Oh man, you laughing at me? Oh yeah, you're funny. You're funny, man. Damn it, man. There's gonna be more still to come, man. Put this sucker over here for now. Oh my god. Now I'm doing that part over there now. Snow and a blizzard here. Let's see if I can put it right here. Come on, man. There we go. Come on, dude. Oh, fuck. Shit, I can do it. Shit. Fuck. I can't do it, man. It's gotta be over here somewhere. Shit. I gotta take this snow off the cars too, man. Look at the way the icicles are, man, too, you know? Cool, right? Let me try to do it this way again, man. Oh, look at that. I think I got it. Come on, don't move. Shit, it's moving. Shit, I can't do anything, man. I wish someone had fucking hold this for me, man. It's cold in the snow, man. It's not even that cold. It's just blizzarding still. Presents. I'll get my cars. It's like art, like the last time, 2011, man. Excuse me. It's getting there, man. Damn. I wish my mom's Facebook Live would have been awesome, man, but it does not work, dude. I'll get it from here now. See if I get it from here now. Come on, dude. Oh man, it's already 3 minutes. 3 minutes of nothing.